Do you want to see this card I just found?
Sure.
Black Sand is a 18 and up RPFC on Amadeus, focused on the business of smuggling and slavery.
We should join.
Dear God. While generic, NPC slaves are always available and only cost in-character gil. We also offer a variety of actual player merchandise. Prices per slave are chosen by the player.
We should join.
Acorn? No, I don't know about that.
Well, here's Jumbo.
Whether it be via prisoners of war, debt slavery, or simple kidnapping.
Okay.
What's the lore behind us acquiring a zoo? This partnership we have?
We can make it up right now.
Is it just like we bought a zoo?
We can make it up right now. That's the beauty of the imagination.
I'm sorry, I tuned in, and these faces are the first thing I see.
These are our workers.
Are they essential? Do we
Oh.
have to
What are
there?
you doing? Month isn't over yet, so we have to make a certain amount of donations. We have enough spending money to make another exhibit. Do you think we can do
Alright.
that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
Only camels, though.
We have another camel that we can put in, but I think 2 is enough.
Only camel exhibits.
Symph, I'm sorry to say this, but there's not a lot of camel species out there.
Fucking... Alright, fine. Manta ray, then.
That's... I don't... I want to do
You're
manta
being
ray
very
too.
You're being very combative right now.
Okay, we'll do manta rays. We'll do manta rays. I'm sorry.
Alright, okay. Alright.
They're just... you know.
1250?
Also, we can't.
We can?
Oh, wait, we can't. Sorry. Apologies. Also, yeah, 1250. You know why? Because they're fucking expensive animals to keep.
Let me get the suppliers on the line.
Alright. Look at the power I possess, so...
I've seen cooler.
I can make the grass yellow.
Yeah, whatever.
Put
There's
little-
people who can make snow yellow. I mean, you don't see them bragging about it. Make the water hole a funny shape.
I won't.
All this power, and this is what you do with it? Weak. Phew.
You're on my case today.
Yeah, I am. You've waited all this time to play ZooTycoon, and look at what you do with this chance.
A salad. No. Bucket. And...
Fuck it.
fork.
Any developers listening, we love your game.
Purchased it
Um,
legally.
Yeah, actually, Acorn, do you want to tell them the story about how you got it so late into its life cycle?
I kept the original CD disc as a baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, but then didn't that one break, and then you had to get another one through like different means, and like you had that meeting with that guy, and he like pulled up in a weird van.
Holy shit,
And
literally,
there's-
what are you talking about?
Hey, a peacock!
Yeah,
You should let that walk around.
could probably let the peacock walk around.
I mean, they walk around in real life, so clearly it must not be, a bad thing.
You know,
Zoos couldn't
people are,
Zoos
like,
couldn't be
attacked.
wrong, could they?
People are like attacked by peacocks. Have you seen videos
Yeah,
of that?
that's why when I've gone to zoos, I've stayed the fuck away from them. I don't care if they're allowed to be free roamers. Like
I don't oh, shit. Wait, you raised more than $1,000 in donations
Whoa!
during the month, so sent you the Rhino Bounty Ride as a free sample of their merchandise. Yo,
Tell Tina and
Hey,
little
I found
Timmy
where they
over
put
there
it.
walking faster.
I found
Why did
where
they
they
just
put
put it there? Did they just like airdrop it in? Like,
should we make like a little play area for this rhino ride we just got?
yeah. I like to think all the park goers like come over here and then they just see you like in the air like terraforming with your mind.
Yo!
What the fuck?
What is this? The marketing department is preparing a new zoo brochure and has requested pictures of the following: holding ice cold soda, sitting on a bench. Yeah, we can fucking do that.
Hey Quinn, do we sell ice cold sodas?
Yes.
I thought we only sold sodas. We're making them ice cold.
Look, what is that?
That's not in the budget.
Oh, that's a hot dog.
Yeah, that's. Yeah, I don't know, Acorn. You tell me. Whoa! They fucking love bucket and fork. Hell yeah!
That's, our zoo, Symph and Sons. We got bucket and fork.
Yeah. Oh, look, we got 1 star already.
Okay, we gotta take a picture of these clowns. Alright, so the zookeepers are sitting.
Yeah, they're not supposed to be doing that.
No. Alright, buy a drink, you sick fuck.
I don't think we should.
That's a hot dog.
I don't think we should be tailing these like park goers. What is that?
This is trash. Oh.
Oh, get him!
Ah! Oh, how do I take a photo?
Take a picture! Craigie's getting him! That works. Thank you, kid. Jumbo is now pregnant!
Yeah, you want to sit so bad.
You want to sit so bad it makes you look stupid. You
Fuck.
motherfucker!
No! Oh, I thought you were sitting! We got a sitter! Yes! Easy.
We hired a 5-year-old to take our pictures. Behold!
We gotta fix this, bud.
Oh yeah, you're right, we do.
Small.
Yeah, I was expecting much more.
Yeah. Okay, I guess.
It's fine. It'll look more like a play pace when we're done with it.
Yeah. Let's research kangaroo.
This is where parents can take their kids and have them go like fuck off for like half an hour while they
Yeah.
take an important phone call.
Like the annoying kids.
Yeah.
Ooh, hey, Symph! We just what is this?
$8,000.
We just unlocked cooler shit. We just got a star.
Yeah, let's do it.
What? They think that's $8,000? The Extinct Research Lab is home for extinct animals. You find fossils, assemble them, and create extinct animals and cure diseases here. No.
Whoa!
Not only do I not want to cure diseases.
Wait, I thought you were stoked about that. What happened?
That's expensive. We'll get to the dinosaurs later. We haven't even finished, like, the park.
That's true. Let's look at what other animals we can put in.
Alright.
We need something to bring in. Ooh.
Alright, challenge. The board of directors of the National Animal Associates sent out a request to zoos nationwide. Dodo Awareness Day. It's 2 months away. And they would like all member zoos to have at least one animal of this species on. I guess we have to do Dodo.
Yeah, let's do Dodo. Look at that guy. He looks like such a fucking chump.
Yeah. Oh, he's an expensive boy.
Yeah, only the best for him.
Our boy nonetheless. Flurb. Flurbs.
Flurbs. Flurbs!
Yeah, that's accurate.
Drink up, Flurb!
Our little Flurby. Let's take a look at him. What's a Flurby? Let's groom him a little. Oh my god. Not a single thought behind those eyes.
I shouldn't be alive.
Oh, Flurb, what are you doing?
I don't even think he knows.
Oh.
Noise! The rock's gone.
Now he's just eating dirt.
You know what? I can get behind this guy.
There he goes.
I love him. He should be our mascot.
Flurb?
Yeah, Blurbs.
I thought you liked the camels.
They can both be our mascot.
Alright.
Another one! Yeah!
That's not the only news, Symph.
No. You're fucking with me. No!
That's not the only news, Symph.
Oh my god! We should have 5 turtles.
We could. That's like enough room for fucking 5 turtles, I think.
Think about it. So next up, we throw them in the turtle pit.
I mean, this isn't a pit.
It could be. The little kid's over there's like, one! Just fucking off.
Yeah, imagine being like a kid and just losing your gourd over a turtle.
Oh, fuck yeah! Do you think we're paying these people the minimum wage, or are they getting the good bucks?
Oh, I'm definitely paying the minimum wage.
Oh no. Wait, we can see their names?
Yeah.
We can dox them?
In fact...
No! We just take the name of every guest here.
Yeah. If I put this on YouTube, I gotta blur that out.
For YouTube purposes, the name said Pokemon, as in the Hokey Pokey.
Mm-hmm. We have gift card, bathroom, pretzels.
Relieve yourself in one of our 3 bathrooms,
Next
and
to the
afterwards,
turtles.
pump yourself full of shit. We literally... Our revenue lives and dies by the turtle section.
Little fennec fox. Or should we get a jaguar?
I think the fox.
I'm still kind of sold on that manatee thing. That manatee venture.
We'll get it. We'll get it.
Yeah, we just got
Ostrich!
ostrich.
No, the fox! Hey, quite, it wasn't supposed to go this way.
Look at him again.
Guests love our zoo!
I even raised the prices of everything. They don't care.
They'll pay the big bucks if that's what it takes!
If that's what it takes to save my fucking turtles.
That could be our tagline. Just, please, God, take pity on the turtles. Look at them. They need everything that they can get.
Gators are cool. Alright. people are fucking complaining. What do they want? What do they know? What do they know about running a zoo?
Bat cave. Yeah, sure.
We can do a gorilla climbing bars, right?
I guess it
Freaks
doesn't
like
look
that?
like it.
I'm gonna research it first.
I think the fountain would be a nice touch.
I want the fountain.
Something that's like scenery.
I don't want to keep on catering to kids.
Acorn, what do you mean catering to?
No joke.
For a game that like makes such an emphasis on making a profit, that you can't. The one thing you could do to make more money, they just don't do.
That's
I mean,
because
I'm not.
We're not supposed
I mean, I'm not.
to.
I mean, I'm not upset, but I mean, well, dodos aren't supposed to be walking around, and here we are.
I mean, yeah, you're right. But like,
Zoos do all kinds of like weird shit all the time.
but like Symph, if animals were able to be sold like how you're suggesting, then the already rampant poaching problem we have would be a lot worse.
We lost half a star.
We did. Ramp, go down, please. Hell yeah!
Woo!
Right? Oh, okay. It's just gotta look like that, huh?
Are we able to like make a like it? Are we able to make the ground deeper so that we can have like a little like viewing area underwater?
Yeah, we can.
Let's do that.
But that's work. Oh, I gotta take a picture of these!
Why did you take a picture of them?
Because we had... Did I... At least 4! How many is that? Please!
Go back down!
We did it.
That's a horrible picture! That is not a picture worth 1,500.
Fuck. I keep doing it because I want to grab pants.
Acorn, I think we just fleeced some people out of their money.
Probably. I'll do it again.
You're evil.
Whatever. I mean...
Do we want it? I don't think we've expanded enough to warrant...
A Jeep, but like...
Yeah. It's a hard question.
I do like guests.
Do
And,
you?
and it's not a hard thing to do. We can pick this up thing... We can pick this thing up later, right?
I guess? But with how many people walk around here, you can't just start driving around.
That's what you think.
People are gonna get ran over.
Yeah. Let me in.
Like, God, I hope so.
Oh no, do I have to like...
Do we have to buy the Jeep? Oh my God. Say it ain't so. Oh, you have to make a little... Oh, okay.
Fuck.
You're just gonna make a little ring around the rosy?
Just a quickie.
Let's drive through the turtles.
Damn it.
No, Acorn. What have we done? Hey, guest love our zoo. Let's run him over. Yeah, I think it's better over here. Maybe not there, maybe...
What if we actually just straight up just keep this? Hear me out. Thank you for hearing me out.
Acorn, I think we're just gonna have to cut our losses on this
I
one.
won't.
Acorn.
You're
This
weak.
This is why we're only 2 stars!
That's why I'm about to fix it.
You refuse to compromise!
You're weak. I'm strong.
I may be weak, but I'm right. What are you doing? Acorn? Oh no, there's another dodo!
Yeah, the problem is actually real.
Acorn, what are you doing? What are you doing over there?
Here, I gotta set one of these dodos free.
No, I mean, what are you doing over by the Jeep?
There you go. By the Jeep?
Yeah.
Skater country.
No. No, no, no!
This does not look like...
That looks like snow. Gonna kill that fucking crocodile.
I am. Why is it this?
I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to put cold-blooded things on ice.
This looks right.
Don't cold-blooded things die if they're too cold?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I figured that's everything, but, like... I'm pretty sure that's, like, specifically true for... Is there gonna be, like, a gate between the... Or are you just gonna let it free roam? Acorn?
Wave.
Is there gonna be a... Oh, that's gonna be a precarious driving spot. Is there gonna be a gate between the Jeep and the crocodile, or are you just gonna let that lawsuit happen?
As long as people don't poke their hands out of the Jeep, they should be fine.
Okay. Do you realize how much of a big ask that is for these absolute dumbasses? They will do it. Someone's gonna get run over.
Welcome to Gator Country.
Oh, Acorn.
Symph? You said
You
it
need
yourself.
to fix that fence! Fix. Oh, thank God. I was. Ooh.
Symph, you said it yourself. You told me this is why we're always the 2-star, never the 3. Guess what?
We're not gonna be fucking operating if we get a lawsuit!
Yo, stuff's prey dummy. That's cool as hell. Let's research that.
Do you realize the paperwork you put me through?
Sometimes you gotta learn how to take risks.
You
You don't gotta be mean to me.
don't even know what I said.
No, I didn't.
I don't even know what I said.
Don't these guys need shelters?
I think you should put the penguin and the crocodile together.
I think just having this thing just hanging out here is cool. But also... Oops. We hope... this business venture better send us through the roof.
Hey, Quinn, I don't feel like this is safe.
Or else we're in trouble financially, Symph.
Yeah, I wonder whose fault that is! I'm sorry.
You didn't need to yell at me.
I didn't need to yell at you yet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fuck, we have a kangaroo. We should get the kangaroo next.
We should.
Okay! Alright,
I said
Acorn!
we should!
Yeah, and then you click the button as if to spite me. What have I done to deserve this?
Nothing.
Can we name it Rocco?
Sure.
The Rocco Jeep Drive.
There you go. Rocco the Croco's Jeep drive through hell.
Through hell!
Through my enclosure, which is hell.
How fast can crocodiles run?
Oh, pretty fucking fast.
I don't think that's enough space between them and the Jeep.
I think it's fine. Oops.
It's gonna be a little kid like, Mommy, look at that! And then the crocodile's gonna start booking it. Well, maybe that won't be a problem if we keep it well fed, right?
Yeah, get a better kid.
That's not what I said. That's not what I said.
I gotta delete this real quick.
Yeah, you're not, okay. Okay, I was worried you were just leaving that in as part of the design.
There you go. Yes. He's not, but now he is.
Rocco is not contained.
Was he ever?
God, we can only hope so. One day. Do not make that walkway through that Jeep place. That's gonna be a lawsuit.
No.
Oh my god. Are you sure we don't need like a fucking an additional fence?
Rocco doesn't know how to jump.
No, for the Jeep.
Oh, probably.
Someone's gonna get run over. I can feel it.
How about you feel something else? Feel relieved that we got the solution to our little money
Yeah,
problem.
feel relieved my money troubles are gonna be over.
Yeah.
Acorn.
Look, people are gonna walk by
My
Rocco.
money troubles are gonna be over because I'm gonna be bankrupt. I'm not gonna have any money to worry about.
Look, people are gonna walk by Rocco and immediately understand that this apex predator hanging out with us means that by proxy, we're cool. Don't you want people thinking we're cool?
I guess.
Come on.
At what cost?
Come on. I know you
At what cost, Acorn?
I know you want people thinking we're cool.
Well, yeah, but
There you go.
oh my god, why do I listen to you? Fine. Okay.
Look, we're gonna put Chimpo right here. You love Chimpo, right?
Yeah, maybe that could pay for all the medical expenses I'll get when I have a heart attack.
ATM right there, so we're not even subtle.
We don't have an ATM near the food places. We only have an ATM near the donation box. Oh my god. We need to make sure that the Jeep ride is cash only.
Look at that.
That is looking very respectable, yes.
And look,
Okay.
only 11.
What?
And only so much money.
Oh.
Oh my god. I was about to lose it. I was like, Rocco, is this not enough for you? And look.
Rocco, look out!
We're getting in. Camera's out.
No, Rocco!
Fuck! Rocco, you whore.
We were about to immediately run him over.
Where the fuck is he?
Acorn, you're wasting our film.
Oh, I got it!
That... Oh my god.
That counts.
Are you sure you can't lower that fence? So that we
what's-
can take a picture?
What's the fuck? What's the other fucking things we got?
You know, that guy right there technically counts as an animal. He's dressed like one.
Ah, oops.
Acorn! What the fuck?
That worked.
When did he get in here? That scared the shit out of
Look
me.
at that.
Oh my god. Don't fucking beep it, Rocco. What the hell is wrong with you?
This area, I think, should be a little cleaner.
I am sorry for yelling like that, but Jesus Christ. That scared the shit out of me. I don't even know why.
I need more people on the Rocco ride. You go, Rocco. I know your killer instincts are.
Yeah, demonstrate it in front of the people.
In
That'll
front of-
get their adrenaline up.
In front of the nice people. This needs to be better. I want, like, an entire platform area dedicated to the Rocco ride. We should probably do it, like, right here. I need more people waiting in line for this thing!
Rocco should be fucking famous by now. What's the holdup?
That's like 3 people in there.
Including the zookeeper?
Fuck, it doesn't count. That's a cute little ride, isn't it? Rocco's
Is
having
it?
a great time. Oh, this is it.
I don't know. Aren't
This is
crocodiles like super territorial?
Oh, they super are, but this is it, Symph.
I don't think he's having a great time then.
We'll fix it. Whew. Alright, that'll help us. We'll fix the Rocco ride. It's not perfect, you're right. But it can be.
That's all I'm trying to say.
This recording's been going on for 2 hours. I'm gonna pause it. Oh my god, we are so close to being out of business.
I think we have some genuinely great moments in there, though.
We're almost there. This manatee does nothing. People are lining up for the Rocco ride.
It's like 4 people. I think the other people are just walking.
It's like 5.
Oh shit, you're right.
We got.
Oh my god. This is a hit!
I knew it. The Rocco ride.
Well, when I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
That's nice to hear.
I can't wait to wake up next day and see Rocco, the beloved crocodile, names 5 people. We are making that money back, though.
How much is it to purchase another vehicle? Doesn't tell
Like
me.
$300.
It's not $300, is it?
That's what it said the cost was.
Oh, Jeep, right?
I don't think this track is long enough to warrant another vehicle, though.
Are you sure that line's getting long?
It's going pretty fast.
All right.
I
Oh,
think.
people love Rocco. You see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Yo, how are you doing, Rocco? Literally, Rocco's thriving. Okay, idea. We just... But then how do... I guess I'd have to whip it around over here to return it back here.
Acorn, I know I said the dodos, I know I said the camel, but Rocco...
Rocco? You feel like Rocco's our mascot?
Definitely our mascot. With how much people love him?
I feel like Rocco's quite literally bringing us the big bucks.
Yeah, no, we're already almost at 15,000. When we started that, we were at 11,000.
People don't even care for... This guy's thinking about the manatee! Oh, I love the fucking manatee.
What the... Who invited fucking Doom Guy here? No, that's not Doom Guy, that's Duke Nukem. My bad, but Jesus Christ.
Okay, what's this? A group of scientists...
Again with this dinosaur shit! Rocco's all we need.
We'll get our dinosaurs when we get there.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, let me see if I can roll a fucking velociraptor. See how... Why... Oh. Manatee. Is he lonely? I don't think he is. We haven't gotten the lonely meter from this bastard.
I don't know if there's enough space there for another manatee.
No, there is definitely not. With how big these fuckers are. Come here. She gets so fucking
He looks so sad! No!
Why do you look dead, motherfucker? Blink, please.
Maybe this is just his personality. He's like a wallflower.
We gotta name him appropriately then. Dimpy?
Dimpy?
Dumpy?
Dumpy. Maybe we can expand the manatee tank a bit and then add another one and see if that cheers them up.
I think if we expand the manatee pit, it would be cool if we added other species in there.
Yeah.
Hey, little guy. Rocco.
Hey, we're making so much money.
The Rocco ride. To hell. Asterisk.
It's not... Possibly.
Our next endeavor is fixing the fucking layout of this. Of course you are.
Fork is now pregnant.
You know what we can do, Symph? Fork?
What can we do?
Bucket? Spoon? Goodbye.
No! Oh my god!
You know what that does? That increases our fame.
Wait, why?
I don't know. If I had the answer, I'd tell you, but I don't know.
Wait. Oh my god, I was like, what is that doing there? I thought like one of the animals had snuck into the crocodile exhibit.
Oh, you mean?
This is a dummy! Oh my god.
Oh my god. No, we're not doing this.
Lois, I don't know how we're gonna get out of this one. This is worse than that time when I was in Deltarune. Hey, do you guys know where the bathroom is? I need to use the, throne. Huh? What? I don't understand. Pardon me? Do you speak English? Bathroom. Bathroom. What are you saying? Hey, get away from me. Back off.